Here are 11 life hacks that every human should know. Simple, relatable, and super helpful for everyday life. 1. Master the art of a to-do list. Start your day by writing down a simple list of tasks. It keeps you organized, helps prioritize what matters, and gives a sense of accomplishment as you check things off. 2. Meal prep saves time and stress. Instead of deciding what to eat every day, cook a few meals in bulk and store them in the fridge. It's healthier, cheaper, and stops you from grabbing junk food when you're in a rush. Number 3, use Do Not Disturb mode on your phone. We get distracted by our phones way too often. Try putting your phone on silent or enabling Do Not Disturb when you need to focus or get some rest. Your productivity will skyrocket. 4. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Not every app needs to send you alerts. Only allow notifications for things that are urgent or important to you, like messages or emails. This way, your phone feels less like a distraction and more like a tool. 5. Exercise in small bursts. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. Short 10 to 15-minute exercises throughout your day can improve your mood and energy levels. Whether it's a quick walk or stretching, every bit helps. 6. Learn how to say no. It's okay to decline invitations or requests if they overwhelm you. Saying no helps manage your time and energy better, and people will respect your boundaries. 7. Use one charging cable for all your devices. Instead of juggling multiple cables, invest in a multi-port charger or wireless charging station. It reduces clutter and stress when you're low on battery. 8. Unsubscribe from junk emails. Don't let your inbox control you. Unsubscribing from promotional emails you never open will clear up space and help you focus on important messages. 9. Keep a reusable water bottle. Not only is this eco-friendly, but having water on hand helps you stay hydrated throughout the day, improving focus and energy. 10. Create a sleep routine. Going to bed at the same time each night and waking up at a consistent time helps your body get better rest, making you more productive during the day. 11. Practice gratitude daily. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This simple habit can improve your mindset and help you stay positive no matter what life throws at you. These life hacks are easy to apply and will make your life smoother, more productive, and less stressful.